Hi everyone, I just got my new Emeril Lagasse pans. I'm so excited about them. I've been making omelets and they're turned out incredible and I can't wait to share this experience with you today. These are super non-stick pans and these stainless steel handles make it even a more incredible experience so you never get burnt. Let's make our omelet today. We're gonna do 3 eggs. This is where the magic happens. You can use metal on them, which normally you don't need to, but for this you can. We're gonna add some ingredients in. Tomatoes, peppers. Just need about 2 to 3 minutes for this, and then we can flip it. Look at how incredible this omelet turned out. Oh, it looks delicious. Look at how easy that is to plate. Just slides right off of that pan. Incredible. Emeril Lagasse Forever pans, best pans I ever used.